I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm so glad to welcome you to Ipanem Beach in Rio de Janeiro. As this city is getting ready to host the 2023 Olympic Games, now it's a great time to explore the beauty of its beach, as well as the culture, traditions, and stories associated with them. If you are a fan of beach lifestyles and want to catch a glimpse of Rio's unique atmosphere, this tour is perfect for you. I'm Mari, a local guide and beach enthusiast, and I'm so excited to guide you through this virtual tour. Please make sure to hit that like and comment button if you find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe. The iconic Ipanem Beach is a top destination in Rio de Janeiro, both among locals and people who come here to enjoy its stunning landscape, vibrant nightlife, and surrounding culture. Here I will be taking you through a tour of the beach, giving you an all-encompassing experience of the atmosphere, beauty, and customs that make it so special. From the Copacabana Palace to the iconic Arpoder and all the local eateries and hidden gems in between, I'll make sure you discover the true Alegria spirit of this city. As we stroll through the beach, you'll get to meet the locals, learn about the local food, attractions, and nightlife, and even explore the colorful maritime history of Ipanem. With such a vivid, vibrant, and absolutely gorgeous atmosphere, it's impossible not to get lost in the beauty of this beach, so let's get started. But don't forget, be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button if you find this video helpful, and feel free to reach out to us for any further questions. Have a nice trip.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!